Blessed people of the world, let us wage war against mental illness. Mental illness has been trying to take over almost the whole world. So let us say no, capital no to mental illness. And on this note, I'm welcoming you to my YouTube channel, Talking Head with Grandpa. I appreciate those that have been subscribing, viewing, sharing, listening to my YouTube channel on my various preventive health topics. God bless you all. Amen. Today's topic focuses on schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a major mental illness, very, very major mental illness that we should wage war against, and it is being classified into various groups like paranoid schiz, schizophrenic schiz, simple schiz, catatonic schiz. We don't want mental illness any longer in the society. Let's wage war against mental illness. Schizophrenia, major mental illness, we can even call it split mind, when the mind is even splitted into two of various, the thinking faculty, the reasoning faculty, the memory faculty, and other faculties are being affected with this disease. Then, what are the predisposing factors of this mental illness, especially schizophrenia now? Hereditary can cause it. Some infections, medical infections which is not well treated, like meningitis, like typhoid, when get to the central nervous system, can cause problem. Not only that, over-pampering of children also can lead to it. Pre-morbid personality also can lead to it. So also the environment, even stress, can prepare that individual to have schizophrenia in future. So it affects both male and female. It's a major mental illness that we need to wage war against. So please join me worldwide, male, female, old, young, white, black. Let's fight war, wage war against all mental illnesses. Number one, what could have been the signs and symptoms? Delusion like paranoid delusion, delusion of grandeur, delusion of unworthiness. All these can be part of the symptoms and signs of this disease, schizophrenia, the picture I've just showed to you. Not only that, aggressiveness, pacing up and down, restlessness, sleeplessness, and a lot of symptoms could happen to that individual who might be having that schizophrenic condition. That's why we should please join me worldwide to fight against all mental illnesses. As I've classified to you, we have simple schiz, we have paranoid schiz, we have schizophrenic schiz, we have catatonic schiz, and even simple schiz, which affect people, which we need to wage war against. And I've said earlier on, let me remind you, signs and symptoms, we have delusion of persecutory delusion, delusion of grandeur, delusion of unworthiness. And if delusion of unworthiness comes up, that individual may be thinking of committing suicide. Then hallucination, both visual and auditory hallucination. Aggressiveness, restlessness, sleeplessness, pacing up and down without doing something cogent. Then factious laughter, voracious eating. Then abnormal behavior of that individual. Then there will be thought withdrawal, so also disorder of thinking, and many more, just not to take much of your time. So now how can we now prevent this horrible mental illness? Prevention even starts from enlightenment campaign, as I've been trying to do. Proper history taking of that individual family. Maybe there's history of their mothers, that has passed on, that had such a sign. If thorough history taking is being conducted, then one will be able to know and to stand preventing such, not to go round all the offspring. Not only that, avoid brain injury, since brain injury also can lead to schizophrenia or any other mental illness. So avoid brain injury. Don't fight with anybody. Even you drivers, when you are driving, drive carelessly, carefully. Sorry. Don't drive carelessly, but drive carefully, so that you don't sustain accident and have head injury that can lead to schizophrenia. So also, good nutrition is very important, because by taking good nutrition from inception, we develop good immunity. Then avoidance of broken home. Broken home, experts trace it that, what causes schizophrenia in some young ones? It might be as a result of broken home, that the father is here, mother is that way, and children also wander away. They can develop such. So avoid it. Manage stress, and if possible, avoid stress, because part of the predisposing factor of course, stress also can cause it. Then avoid bad association. Don't join yourself with bad group that will be taking hard drugs, or that will be fighting here and there, that will care less about their life or other people's life. Don't join such association. Then maintain simple normal lifestyle. This life is very simple. If you maintain it simple, then sky is the limit. Prompt report of any medical issues or medical illnesses to the doctor for proper history taking, proper diagnosis, and sound and proper treatment of such medical issue, so that it will not travel through the bloodstream and get to the central nervous system, that is the brain, and in future lead to schizophrenia or any other mental illness. So also avoid hard drugs, smoking, taking of hard drugs, taking of alcohol, taking of cannabis, taking of heroin, taking of cocaine. All these can cause damage to the brain, and before you know it, that individual can develop schizophrenia. So ladies and gentlemen, let me appreciate you for listening once again to my YouTube channel, Talking Head with Grandpa. Your life is very important. Let's wage war against all mental illnesses by taking these precautions. So we will wage war, and the entire world will be peaceful, avoiding mental illness of various categories. So ladies and gentlemen, mental illness, let us say no to mental illness. Let us prevent all ways to make sure that we avoid mental illness. Say no to mental illnesses. Say no to drug abuse. Say no to injury. Say no to all those things that can lead you, to attain mental illness. God bless you all. Listen to me once again. Join me to sound it. Let us say no to mental illness. Let us wage war to mental illness. God bless us. Continue subscribing, viewing listening and sharing to my YouTube channel, Talking Head with Grandpa. I have a lot of preventive health topics that will be beneficial to the entire world. God bless you.